My manager, Richard, gave me the biggest smile I have ever seen him since I was hired. And he's like, guess what? You're my guy. For? By right along. So thank you very much for volunteering. I'm like, yes, sir. Well, good morning. How's it going? It's going to be an exciting day. My name is Tali Toa. It's short for Talia Uli Kaipelea Toa. First name Talia Uli, last name Toa. You know, typical Polynesian names are usually very long. I am in HVAC tune-ups. I love everything about Any Hour so far. The first impression that had the greatest impact on me and my wife was how my wife was so involved in it. Not just me being interviewed, but also my wife. That was a very, very big thing for us. First call is actually in Springville. We're going to be doing a AC tune-up for one unit that's about 10 years old. This is it. Oh, hi. So this is Spencer. He's going to be filming me. So I understand I'm here to do the air conditioning tune-up. We're going to be doing the assessment on the entire system. I just need to stop at the thermostat inside. So we're going to take a look at that condenser. So the condenser definitely is caked with a ton of buildup. So completely all the way around. So right now I'm taking my amp draw. My temperature clamps tells me the temperature. It's showing us that it needs some cleaning. Let's check this capacitor, see how this guy's doing. Typically, our normal range is like plus or minus 5 or 6%. So 4.9, we're doing very well on that one. Compressor, same thing, out of 50, so 48. We'll clean this, but I'm gonna put it together so that way I can go inside and check everything there. This is a 1991. Well, I mean, it's about 30 years old. I'm taking my temperature split, the difference between my return and supply temperature. So I'm gonna get you a brand new filter real quick. And hopefully a new filter can breathe some new life into that system. Yeah, one of the things I really, really do enjoy is making sure the customers are very comfortable and they're happy. I'm gonna check your static pressure real quick now that I have that filter in place. All right, here comes the fun part. It's kind of wedged like a puzzle. Just lift it like an arch. I think I was trying to aim it at Spencer. Sorry. Let's get that soap real nice there. Been pimped out. So I pimped my ride, we'll pimp your AC unit. It's coming down. Woo! We are officially done, heading on to the next call. Let's turn on the heat to get us dry, because I am telling you, I'm wet. Maybe not too hard, right? Oh, she loved the visit. She wanted to sign up for our VIP membership program, and then we also scheduled her for a furnace tune-up coming December. I say that was a great success. Next call, we're going to American Fork. We're doing a full system tune-up on her 2-year-old system. A corner house. Hello, how are ya?
Good, how are you?
Good. Is there like a way we could just go around to the back?
Yeah, there's a gate here.
Brand new system, or at least fairly new. I gotta still check the inside before I can make a definite conclusion on this. This one here is still new and it's not restrictive on the airflow out here, so we're just doing a quick rinse off. Outdoor unit, we're doing okay. I still gotta verify a few things inside just to be sure. Oh, look at that. Man, I just love our install team. It's amazing what they do. So once again, we're doing the temperature split. All right, 21-degree split. This is the electrostatic filter. Look at that baby. Yeah. So little clips here. This is gonna be a lot of dust. Okay, here he goes. Oh yeah. Woo. You'll see the difference here with the air. A little thing like that can throw off a lot of things, which is why I love any hours policy on thorough evaluation. So now we're going to check on the air humidifier. See how that is doing. That is completely clogged. Look at that. I could just blow on that, it'd be like you make a wish. Humidifier pad is how it should look like. That's what it looks like right there. You see that? I think I discovered the magic to staying young forever. Work for any hour. Let's work for any hour. So now we run our static pressure meter. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's like almost perfect. Beautiful. It's not about how good how everything you know. It's about how you make the customer feel. She felt happy. She was very satisfied. Makes me very happy. And that's all that matters right there. It's so worth it with everything. So I'm happy. Oh, home sweet home. Ain't nothing like a hard working day, then come home and see the family. Hi, baby. Come here. Come here. Give me a hug.
Hi.
And there's my little munchkin here. Kiss. Oh. Well, y'all, that's the day in the life here at Any Hour Services. Time for you to say bye-bye. Peace.